I'm sure you've heard the phrase rabbits are super clean, clean freaks. And here we are witnessing a clean rabbit having a bath. There you go. He's so serious and he's washing. And you can see he's a bit wet, isn't it? He's cleaning himself, making sure he's putting soap, shampoo, and literally scrubbing and licking himself. But what is the relevance? What is the relevance of what Gustavo is doing here? Let's wait a minute and observe Gustavo, how serious he is about making sure he's grooming, scrubbing, and scratching all and everything. Is he happy that he's cleaning up? Solution, apple cider vinegar solution. And this is how we do it. Mix water, generously a lot of water. You can see in the bottle what I'm doing. Fill water to the brim, not to the brim, to a good level. And then you add apple cider vinegar to it generously to make it look this hazy, and that's it. That's your solution right there. What's the relevance of this? This is a disinfectant, and it is also a dewormer for the rabbit. So as you can see, Gustavo, as you saw earlier on, Gustavo licking himself, you see him again. We've had a little fight, myself and Gustavo. We had a little fight because I went in there and put some apple cider vinegar in his drinking water, squirt some there, and then I went ahead and sprayed it on him. I literally had a fight with him. Gustavo is already always fighting me anyway. So we had a good fight. And at the end of the day, he was very upset that I was chasing him out of his house. I sprayed the whole inside of his room. And there he is very upset and questioning, what am I doing? What are you doing, Daddy? And then the grooming starts. The relevance of this is they do a deep cleaning of their body, because rabbits are very clean and they don't like anything foreign to be on their body. And so you witness Gustavo there really cleaning it as much as he can. Gustavo is a clean freak anyway. He's a super clean freak. So as you can see, Gustavo there cleaning himself and making sure everything is dry. But what's happening there, I want to describe what's happening. When they clean themselves, they ingest, which means they are using their lips. They're not spitting out. So they are swallowing everything, whatever they are licking with their lips. They are swallowing it. And guess what he's swallowing? The apple cider vinegar. Rabito Famino, you're watching. If you like it and you watch up to here, then you must love it. Consider subscribing so we can bring you more wonderful content like this. So if you love rabbits, you will know that rabbits, if you know a little bit about rabbits, you know that their digestive system is very delicate. And therefore, every now and then, you must give them a sort of dewormer. In the wild, rabbits will go in the bush and look for something to deworm them. But when they are in captivity, when they are domesticated, we have to be able to provide something for them. And for me, apple cider vinegar is the best solution because it helps deworm them. At the same time, when I spray it on their skin, it takes care of things like fleas, ticks, leaks, any parasite that's residing on their body. The apple cider vinegar acts as a disinfectant for the inside. The flies really hate it. There is no flies in the hutch anyway. Every now and then you see one or two. But the apple cider vinegar, when I spray it in the whole perimeter of the room, it makes sure it helps to take care of any parasite latching on the surface of their room. And guess what? When they swallow it, as you see Gustavo cleaning, he's swallowing whatever is cleaning his tongue. He will eat and it goes down. Rabbits don't spit. They are not that kind of animal. They don't vomit, they don't spit. And therefore, this is really good for them. And the fact that he's wet means he will take time to deep clean it himself. I know they clean themselves, they groom themselves every day. But this time, he's taking extra time to extra groom in order for him to be super clean. And if there is any parasite hiding underneath the skin, he's going to clean it off. And the apple cider vinegar will take care of it. This is Rabito Famino. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy watching Gustavo thoroughly cleaning himself. Now, he seemed to be content and happy and chilling, knowing that he's clean. And look at him. Let's count 1, 2. Oh, floppy, happy floppy Rabito. See you in the next video. Subscribe for more. Rabito Famino.